So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all guys are fine. So let's go in today's class. Learning from class 24. Working of human ear, relate microphone and ear, algorithm designing, coding, wait until. So let's overview of today's class. Algorithm design, PSEUDO coding, wait until, LED installation. For this, the components list are breadboard with nano USB cable, sound sensor, two LEDs, jumper wires, one resistor. This is our control system. Sound sensor is our input, microcontroller is our control system, and output is our LED. So you can see this is the connections. And the second step is let's upload the code. This is the code. So you can see after uploading the code, thank you guys, bye bye.